Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a very impromptu video. I'm gonna make it pretty quick, but I wanted to share I look like this because I have been cleaning all day, which has actually felt amazing. It's a Sunday, my cleaning day, and I am actually whipping up a fresh batch, well, two fresh batches of my Thieves inspired soft scrub. Young Living actually just came out with their own Thieves soft scrub. I've been making my own version for years. I make my own DIY Thieves oil because I don't really buy Young Living oils, mostly because I don't love MLMs in general, and I found other brands to be just as good quality wise. For the most part, I'm using Oracacia oils, these guys. I have my little oil collection here, and I thought I would just really quickly show you how I make this because it's super simple. So I actually went to the dollar store today and I picked up these new containers. I just washed them and I'm pretty excited about them. Such a lame thing to be excited about, but you know, a good container brings me joy. Sometimes I like to make a batch of Thieves oil, and I'll just take like an amber glass jar or like this blue jar, and I'll just pop the oils in there and then have that to go in like the diffuser and stuff. Today I'm just gonna make the soft scrub, but you can use these same amounts of these oils to make your own Thieves oil blend if you don't want to make the soft scrub. Sorry guys, my battery died. Anyways, we are back. So this is, again, super stupid simple. All you need is lemon essential oil, cinnamon essential oil, clove essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and eucalyptus essential oil. You can see this is a different brand. It's just what I have. It's still pretty much exactly the same. The only thing I'm gonna do differently than like the typical Thieves oil blend is add sweet orange oil. I just really love sweet orange oil. I think it makes it smell a little more Christmassy. That might just be me, but you don't need orange oil if you don't have it. So I'm gonna start with clove oil and I'm gonna add 20 drops-ish. Then I'm gonna add 18 to 20 drops of lemon essential oil. It's always approximate. I can never get the exact number. Then I'm gonna take cinnamon leaf oil. I believe technically you're supposed to use cinnamon bark oil. I don't notice a difference. I have done both. I'm taking 10 drops of this. Then I'm taking about 8 to 10 drops of eucalyptus oil. And then I'm taking about 5 drops of rosemary. And then I'm going in with sweet orange oil and I'm adding about 5 to 10 drops, really whatever my heart feels is the right amount. Okay, so now I'm just taking the baking soda and adding it right in, and then I'm gonna give it a stir. Let me see if I can show you guys. And then the final thing I'm gonna do is add in some Castile soap. You can use Castile soap, or I like Sal Suds from Dr. Bronner's just because I always have this on hand. And I would say add about a quarter of a cup. I am just gonna eyeball this and do like that much. But basically like a cup to a cup and a half of baking soda, your essential oils, and then about a quarter of a cup of Sal Suds. And then you're just going to mix it all together. All right, and that is that, about 10 minutes, and I have 2 jars of soft scrub that will last me, oh my goodness, probably about a month each. So I always pop one in the upstairs bathroom and one in the downstairs kitchen cleaning basket. It smells amazing and it's all natural, and I can make it myself. Anyways, because I'm super extra and I have a deep fondness for my label maker, I'm gonna label these. Okie dokie guys, that is it. That is all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, short and sweet. I have a blog post all about how I use this. I will link that in the description box down below. But basically, I just ever take like a teaspoon, pop it into a sink if I want to scrub a sink, and then just give it a quick scrub with something like this, which I also got at the dollar store, and then just rinse with water. If I want to clean the toilet, I just put, again, maybe, I don't know, maybe even half a teaspoon right into the toilet bowl, and then I just use the toilet brush to give it a quick scrub, let it sit for maybe 10 minutes, and then I just flush it, and that does the trick for us. Same thing with our tubs. I just pop maybe half a teaspoon to a teaspoon into the tub, give it a good scrub, rinse with water from the shower head, and that's that. And we use this for everything. Oh, the other thing I wanted to say is it works amazing on a glass top stove. Sorry guys, it's been a long day, so my words are all jumbled. But again, just kind of the same as any soft scrub. Just pop a little bit on, use your washcloth to just kind of gently work it into the top of the stove, anything that's caked on. Leave it to sit for about 10 minutes and then wipe it away with water, and that is that. Oh my gosh, we use this for everything. We love it. It makes the house smell like Christmas if you're into that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, that is it. That is all from me today. After this little break, I'm now gonna go right back into cleaning because I still have a lot to do. But I just wanted to share my little recipe because I make it constantly, and it's something that we gift a lot to people, especially when they move into like a new house or a new apartment, and everyone seems to love it, and it's super, super easy and way cheaper than buying the Young Living Thieves cleaner and or soft scrub. But yeah, that is it. That is all from me today. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Enjoy your day. Bye.